of demo. So open stage ആണ്. So students who can perform, perform cube can come onto the stage. Actually, we are expecting students below 6th standard. So anyone who can do cube can come onto the stage. Rubik's cube. It's an open stage demo. So anyone who can do Rubik's cube, just come onto the stage. Expecting students below 6th standard.
Okay, we can shuffle. Please shuffle your cubes. Shuffle. Please shuffle it and keep it down. It's not 4x4 cube, 3x3. 3x3. 3x3 cube. So when I say 3, 2, 1, you can pick up the cube and start solving it. So who is completing one by one, they can come to the front and stand, okay? In a row. Alright. 3, 2, 1, start.
Let's encourage the students, please. Yes.
Very good.
We got a champion.
We can show the cube to the audience. Yeah. What's your name? Abhinav. Abhinav came first. Your Shreya came second. Mahadev. Come. One by one. Okay.